going to town though. Speeding up. Dump run time. Garage clean out, here we come. So right now, I'm just sorting everything by what the heck it is. Then we'll go through those files and see what to keep and what to get rid of. The bench is all cleaned off. Next, we tackle that corner. You wouldn't know it from looking, but this is sorted. And then we're going to go through it and decide what to keep and put away and what to get rid of. Holy moly, that is a lot of work. But check it out. We already made a dump run, and this trailer was full of garbage. It took 4 things of glass to recycle. This is full of garbage for garbage day. This is all garbage here. That's project stuff. Not gone through the bike corner yet. And under the teardrop, that's the last place. This all stuff is to donate or give to other people. Still trying to figure out what to do with these seats. Getting ready to put a 2-seater in the van instead of a 3-seater, but we don't want to get rid of anything until we make sure we get it right. And then here's the tools that we did today. Now you may say, there's stuff all over your tool bench. You would be right, because I'm getting ready to go to Home Depot to buy pegboard to hang all that up. Went to Home Depot, picked up a pegboard, and now the tool bench is done. Alright, we figured out how to use it, and we paired the remote. Fuel pump's kicked on. It's gonna get it up to temperature now. So now that the heater's kicking on and getting up to temperature, it's using 105 watts of power. Temperature, this is on the lowest setting, and it's using 8 watts of power.
So I quickly made this the other day. It's a piece of plexiglass with 2 strips of plexiglass riveted onto the bottom of it, a little Gorilla Tape around the upper edges, and a little vent. It is going to go and fill the void in the window of the Jeep. And here it is mounted. Now we just got to hook the hose up and we can heat the inside of the Jeep with the diesel heater. So this is our diesel heater setup. Got the diesel heater standalone with its own fuel tank. Goes down to our solar generator, lithium battery bank. That's our 1-gallon diesel tank. The exhaust comes out of the end of there to a Y, and then it splits. One into the Jeep, one up to the rooftop tent. That silver one is temporary. The other one is permanent. The Y and all that's all gonna stay the way it is. Sitting up on some blocks till we can figure out exactly how we want to mount the exhaust and whatnot. It does a pretty good job of heating up the Jeep and the tent. So putting the roto packs on the Jeep, getting ready to go for this weekend. Simple ratchet strap around there. Now we'll take it, the rotopacks off, and fill them up with water. So here's our setup. Water, 4 gallons. Trasharoo for trash and firewood. Shovel mount / barbecue mount.